You're about to see the lowest competition money niche on YouTube right now, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to build it yourself. Look at this. 2 channels, the same boring niche everyone ignores, both quietly printing money. Majestic Studios, nothing but history documentaries. No face, no camera, no editor. 222,000 subscribers. One video passed 3 million views, another at 1.4 million. Now this one, Crumb Lore, count the uploads. 27, that's the whole channel. 2 months old, already 21,000 subscribers. Top video with over 340,000 views. At an estimated $4 RPM, that's roughly $1,300 from one upload. And here's what's going to make you angry. You were told you need a studio, an editor, a voice actor, and 5 apps to make videos this clean. It's a lie. I make documentaries exactly like these with one connector inside Claude. Research, script, visuals, full narrated video, free to start. I'll show you live on this screen. But stay with me, because if you do this the normal way, you'll stall at 300 views and quit. There's one step near the end that decides if your video dies or hits millions, and almost everyone skips it. Watch to the end. You'll get the niche, the tool, and that step. Let's go. Alright, here's the entire process, and it's stupidly simple. It all runs on one prompt. Want it? Comment the word history prompt down below and I'll send you this exact prompt, free, then get right back here, because the prompt alone won't get you views. So first you open Claude. That's the AI brain doing all the heavy lifting. You paste the prompt in, hit generate, and watch this. Claude instantly hands you 10 video ideas for this niche. 10. If none of them grab you, you just regenerate for 10 more. And here's a smarter move. Go look at what's already blowing up on channels like these, and instead of copying them, take that proven theme and give it your own angle, your own title, your own spin. Same demand everyone's already searching for. Original video. Now pick your favorite. I'll grab the first one. You drop that topic back into the prompt, hit generate, and Claude asks you one question. How long do you want this? 3 minutes, 5, 10, even 20. For this example, I type 3 minutes. Click generate. And just like that, Claude writes the entire script, start to finish. Intro, every section, the outro, clean. Skim it once to be safe, but most of the time it's ready to roll. But here's the thing, a script is just words on a page. Words don't get views. What turns this into a video people physically can't scroll past is the next step. And this is where it gets really good. Now the fun part. The script is done, so we turn those words into an actual video. First, quick tip, read the script once. If a line doesn't sound like you, change it right now, or just ask Claude to rewrite that paragraph. Don't skip this. The voice is what makes people trust the channel. Happy with it? Then you tell Claude one thing. Stage 3. That's the magic word. From here, Claude takes your script and turns it into video prompts, one for every single paragraph, automatically, in order. You don't write a thing. So I type stage 3, and boom, my first prompt is ready. And here's what makes this whole method different. This is a video prompt, not an image prompt. Most people generate an image first, then try to animate it, then fight with character consistency for hours. Not us. The way this prompt is built, we skip images completely and generate the video directly. No consistency headaches, no extra steps. Under that first prompt, Claude asks you, want me to generate this video for you? You type yes, but nothing happens yet, and this is where most people get stuck. Because to actually make the video, Claude needs hands. It needs to be connected to Higgsfield. That's the one connector I told you about at the start. The thing that turns Claude from writes about video into makes the video. So let me show you the setup. It takes about 30 seconds and you do it once. Go to the Higgsfield website. Links in the description. Top corner, you'll see MCP. Click it. It shows you one line to copy. Copy that. Now back in Claude, settings, then connectors, hit the plus, paste that link, give it the name Higgsfield, and click connect. Done. That's it. Your Claude now has hands, images, videos, everything, all from inside the same chat. So we jump right back to where we were, back to that first video prompt, sitting ready. We approve it, and Claude generates our very first clip. And there it is, our first clip, generated right inside Claude through Higgsfield. Watch it back. Clean, cinematic, exactly the documentary look those big channels use. Now you just repeat the rhythm, type approve in the box, and Claude pulls the next paragraph of your script, turns it into a video prompt, and shows it to you. Like the prompt? Type generate, and Higgsfield renders the next clip. And honestly, the quality on these is unreal. One paragraph, one prompt, one clip. Approve, generate, repeat. That's the loop. But here's the shortcut nobody expects, and this is the part I love. You don't actually have to sit there doing it one by one. If the first couple of prompts already look good, you just type generate all video prompts and all videos. That's it. Now Claude goes and writes every prompt for the entire script and renders every single clip automatically. No more approving one at a time. You literally get up, walk away, and let it run. And if one clip comes out weak, you don't restart anything. You just tell it regenerate with better quality, and it swaps that one out. That's the whole game. You're not making a video, you're directing one. So I let it run, and a few minutes later, every clip for my 3-minute documentary is sitting there, ready. No editor, no stock footage, no stitching 10 apps together. Here's the step I promised you at the very start. The one 9 out of 10 people skip. And it's the reason their videos die at 300 views while these channels pull hundreds of thousands. It's the thumbnail. Watch this closely, because this is what actually gets the click. But first, finish the clips. Watch every one back. If any came out wrong, regenerate that single clip until it's clean. Then download them. Click download. The clip opens in a new tab. One click. Saved. Do that down the line until every clip is on your machine. Now the thumbnail, and this stays inside the same Claude chat, which is the beautiful part. You type next, thumbnail. Claude asks which title you're using, you give it your title, and you say generate thumbnail concepts. Boom, 5 concepts, instantly. Pick the one that hits hardest, paste it back in, type generate, and 1 second later Claude renders the thumbnail through Higgsfield. Download it. That's your click magnet. Done. No Photoshop, no designer. Last piece, the voice. A documentary lives or dies on the narration. So scroll back up to that script Claude wrote in step 2 and copy it. Head to the Higgsfield site, hit audio, then voiceover. Paste your whole script in, open the voice presets. Male, female, tons of options. Pick the one that fits your channel and click generate. When it's done, one click downloads your full narration. And that's everything. Script, clips, thumbnail, voiceover, all of it out of one prompt and one connector inside Claude. No studio, no editor, no 10 apps. Now there's just one thing left to do with all these pieces, the part that turns a folder of files into a finished video people can't scroll past. That's next. So the last step, combining everything. Easy. You've got your voiceover and all your clips. We put them together in CapCut. It's free. Import your voiceover and clips. Drop the voiceover on the timeline first. That's your backbone. Play it, and lay each clip over the top to match what the narrator's saying. Clip too short? Slow it down. Too long? Trim it. That's the edit. 2 quick touches. If a clip's background sound fights your voice, turn that clip down. Then add clean transitions between clips so it flows. Done. And that's a full documentary. Script, visuals, thumbnail, voice, edit, all from one prompt and one connector inside Claude, plus a free editor. Now watch the finished result.
Right now, somewhere on Earth, 2 billion cups of this drink are being poured. And for centuries, kings tried to make sure you'd never taste it. It starts, according to legend, with a goat herder in Ethiopia named Claude. He noticed his goats dancing, actually dancing, after eating red berries off a certain bush. Curious, he tried them himself. Soon, monks nearby were brewing those same berries into a drink to stay awake through nighttime prayers. Nobody knew it yet.
That's the whole workflow. Comment history for the free prompt. The Higgsfield connector's in the description. Go make your first one tonight. Want the niche that's even bigger than this one? Watch this next. See you there.